In this video, I will show you how you can set up parental controls on any iPad. Now, if you want to set parental controls on your iPad, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From here, just scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and from here, just enable the toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, on this page, you will find all the parental control settings on your iPad. Now you can set the parental control settings to whatever you want. For an example, if you tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, you can restrict installing apps on this iPad. You can also restrict or enable deleting apps on this iPad. And also you can enable or disable in-app purchases. After that, you can select whether you want to require the password for your Apple ID for the App Store purchases or not. After that, you can tap on Allowed Apps and Features. And from here, you can select which apps and features should be allowed or not. After that, you can tap on App Store Media, Web, and Games. And from here, you can set a restriction on web content. You can set an age limit on the apps which you download from the App Store. And also, there are much more parental control settings over here. Now, after you've set up the parental control settings, if you want to set a password so no one can enable or disable the settings from the parental controls, just go back to Screen Time and tap on Log Screen Time Settings. Now just create a PIN for the parental controls, then enter the PIN one more time to confirm the PIN. Now after you set the lock on the parental controls, no one will be able to enable or disable the parental control settings without the password. And this is how you can set up parental controls on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.